Hello everybody, good afternoon. So today discuss about this problem in this formula. So first one is problem discuss about the soil sample has a unit length unit out of the 1.9 kilonewton per meter. This length is given that this question, and a water content of 12%. Its specific gravity of solid is 2.65. So the find out the dry unit weight, gamma, degree of saturation SE, and void ratio E, and porosity N. So the find out of total question E, gamma, and degree of saturation E, and void ratio E, and porosity N. So the first thing solution that of the given data, gamma equal to 1.9 kilonewton per meter cube. Only unit is given this value. So the first one is find out W means water content. W means 12%. 12% means 12 divided by 100. So the find out answer of 0.12. So the given that of specific gravity 2.65, we know that the formula first one is dry unit weight, gamma. In this formula is we about know the gamma equal to gamma W AC plus GS by 1 plus E. So the AC, therefore the AC formula is AC equal to WG. So the therefore is formula, this AC value is 0.318. So the put this formula in this problem. So the last one is find out E equal to 14.37. So the next one find out degree of saturation SE. First thing find out E, and next one is SE. So AC equal to WG, so same things, put this value and find out this S, and degree of saturation 0.022, and AC equal to WG. So the next one is void ratio. So the void ratio formula is the relation between formula void ratio is N equal to E divided by 1 plus E. So the N equal to E, put this value E 14.37 and divided by 1 plus 14.3. So the value is N 0.934. So the last one is porosity. The relation between formula gamma D equal to gamma by 1 plus W. So put this value in this formula. So last one is gamma D equal to 1.69. So the first problem is complete. So the next problem is same thing, that the soil sample is porosity N 35%. So the 35% is pointing 0.35 divided by 100. So the value is 0.35. The next thing is the soil is 75% saturated and specific gravity is 2.68. So the determine or find out the void ratio, dry unit weight, and bulk unit weight, and moisture content. So do we know that the formula gamma equal to gamma W into AC plus GS divided by 1. Again same this formula, E equal to N by 1 minus N. So put this value 0.35, N value 0.35, and divided by 1 plus 1. So the value is E equal to 0.53. So the next one is gamma, same value gamma W AC plus GS 1 plus U. Put this value in this formula. So the last find out gamma, and the next one is SE. AC equal to WG, and W find out the AC equal to WG. So the find out of W, so S, you know that the give this value is S, E, and G. So the W equal to AC divided by G. So put this value and answer W equal to 0.14 kilonewton per meter cube. The next one is gamma D. Gamma D formula is gamma equal divided by 1 plus W. So the gamma D equal to 19.73 gamma value and 1 plus 0.14 W value. So the put this value gamma D. So the first formula is first problem and second problem is complete. So the next one is relation between gamma G and E. Gamma G formula means gamma dash or gamma equal to gamma saturated minus gamma W. So the relation between previous formula is gamma saturated minus gamma W. Gamma saturated value is gamma W into G plus E into 1 plus E minus gamma W. So common value of gamma W, So the G plus E minus gamma W, 1 plus E, so the gamma W divided by 1, so the into gamma W into 1 plus E. So the closing this, open this bracket, the gamma W is common, tale G plus E minus 1 minus E, so plus E and minus E is cut. So the last one is gamma W into G minus 1 into 1 plus E. So the put this formula is gamma dash equal to gamma W into G minus 1 1 plus E. So the next relation between gamma D and gamma W. So the previous gamma W equal to WW by WD. So the add both in one direction. So 1 plus W and 1 plus WW by WD. So the 1 plus W and WW by WD W by WD, therefore W equal to WD plus WW means W. So the WD equal to W by divided by 1 plus W. So the gamma D equal to WD or WS by V, total volume. So the gamma W equal to W by 1 plus W whole divided by V. So the multiple this value, the W divided by 1 plus W into 1 by V. So the gamma D equal to W divided by 1 plus W into V. So the last one is formula gamma D equal to gamma divided by 1 plus W. So the last relation between of the formula. So the same things of formula is the water content as a soil sample. The 25% of unit weight of soil solid 2.5 kilonewton meter unit weight, and the give unit weight of the sample is 1.6 kilonewton per meter cube. Find the degree of saturation AC, void ratio E and porosity N, and the unit weight of the solid mass. Also find the saturated unit weight and the submerged unit weight. So the given this data is W equal to 25% in 0.25 and gamma S and gamma D is given this question. So find out of S, E, N, gamma and gamma saturated and gamma submerged density. We know that the formula previous gamma D equal to gamma divided by 1 plus W. So the put this value is 1.6 equal to gamma divided by 1 plus 0.25. So the gamma value is gamma equal to 2 kilonewton per meter cube. Same things as the gamma is find out. So the next one is value of E. E find out the same relation between formula is GS equal to gamma S by gamma W. So gamma S 2.5 given and gamma W 9.81. Gamma W value is constant 9.81. So the value is 0.25. So the same things formula gamma equal to gamma W AC plus GS by 1 plus C. So the put this value and last formula is find out E equal to 0.52. So the AC equal to W and AC equal to W. So the S value is not. So S into 0.25 equal to W value 0.06. So the S equal to 0.06 divided by 0.52. So the last one is value of S equal to 0.11. So we know that the N equal to previous formula is E by 1 plus E. So put this value and N equal to 0.342. So gamma saturated equal to gamma W G plus E and 1 plus E. So gamma saturated equal to gamma W value is constant 9.81. So put this value gamma saturated equal to 4.96. So gamma submerged equal to gamma saturated minus gamma W. So put this value gamma submerged equal to gamma saturated 4.96 and gamma W 9.8. So gamma saturated is minus 4.85. So next, say same things formula is soil sample is porosity is given that N and specific gravity is given. Find out the E and rho D. But determine the 50% saturated soil sample and the unit weight if the soil is complete saturated. So the first one find out the E equal to N divided by 1 minus N, 0.40 divided by 1 minus 0.40. So the E value is find out 0.66. So rho D equal to G into rho W by 1 plus E. So the put this value and last one is rho D equal to 1.62 gram per cm Q. So the next one, when first find out N and rho D. So the next one, when the soil is 50% saturated. Saturated means wet soil. Saturated, so the SE find out W. What 50% saturated means 50 divided by 100, 0.50. So SE equal to WG. Then S 0.50 into 0.6 is W into 2.70. So W equal to, put this value and W value is 0.12. So if the soil is completely saturated means total weight of soil, but 50% saturated means half one is wet soil and half one is dry soil. So the completely saturated soil means E equal to W saturated into G. So W saturated equal to E by G. So 0.6 is divided by 2.70. So the put this value is W saturated 0.24. Thank you.